In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Jira issues in Confluence and track work alongside your documentation. Let's start by opening Confluence and heading to the page where you want Jira information to appear. This can be an existing space overview, a project plan, or a fresh page you're drafting for your team. The key is to choose a spot where people naturally come for context, so the Jira details you add will actually be seen and used. Before you add anything, make sure Jira and Confluence are connected under the same Atlassian site. This simply means both products live in the same organization workspace. If your team uses multiple sites, ask your admin to confirm the connection. If they aren't connected, the Jira content won't render in Confluence, and you'll just see plain links instead of rich issue details. Now, on your Confluence page, paste a Jira issue link directly into the editor. Confluence will automatically convert it into a rich preview or a Jira issue macro that shows the key, summary, status, and other helpful fields. It's a quick way to surface live data without leaving the page, and the content updates as the issue changes in Jira. If you prefer more control, type the /command/Jira in the editor. This opens the Jira macro picker, where you can choose to display a single issue, an entire project view, or a saved filter. This is especially handy when you want a dynamic list of issues, like all open tasks for this release, that updates automatically as your team works. Next, select the Jira issue, project, or filter you want to display. A single issue is perfect for highlighting a critical task. A project view gives a broader snapshot of what's happening across a team. A filter keeps a living list aligned to criteria you care about. In most cases, you can fine-tune which fields show and how the list is sorted, so the information remains clean and scannable. When you're happy with the preview, publish the page. Publishing ensures your teammates can see the live Jira details instead of a draft. As work progresses in Jira, the Confluence display refreshes, so you don't need to manually update statuses. Finally, use this Confluence page to track Jira work and documentation together. Add context, decisions, and notes right alongside the embedded issues, and let teammates click through to Jira when they need to dive deeper. It keeps your project narrative and your task execution in one place, making collaboration clearer and faster.